So the Taiwan Experience Education Program, as our deputy representative just mentioned, TEEP, TEEP is being conducted in several universities all around Taiwan. And it is not only restricted to India, but I think most of our students come from India. I'm Pao-Ann Hsiung. I have an English Hindi name called Pao-Ann, which is the wind that comes and goes. Many students call me Professor Pao, the bread in English in Hindi. Okay, so uh, let me briefly introduce my. Not sure who is fiddling with my slide, but okay. CCU is actually a comprehensive university. We have 7 different colleges: the College of Law, Education, Humanities, Social Science, Science, Engineering, and Management. So it's a comprehensive university. We have more than 1,000 staff members, which amounts to around 500 professors and 500 staff members. And then we have 11,000 students. We have lots of trees, and it is a very beautiful campus. Actually, it is located near the south, somewhere towards the south of Taiwan. Okay, so let me start with the presentation. The TEEP program at CCU was started. I don't know why the slide is changing. Okay, the TEEP program was started way back in 2017. We had 35 interns coming that year from India, Nepal, Singapore, Malaysia, USA, and Thailand. And then we had 55 of the interns coming the next year in 2018. They were mainly from India. Last year, we had around 25 interns, also mainly from India. So that was our brief history. And of course, in this year, because of the pandemic, we couldn't accept any interns coming to Taiwan, but I hope we can do that next year in 2021. Okay, we do have an internship application website. We have the QR code at the right bottom of the slide. You can click it, and or if you don't remember, there's a embedded.cs.ccu.edu.tw. So that's the application website where we can check all the different topics and the professors who are involved in the internship program. Okay, so before the internship, what we do is we contact all the interns after we get the applications. We review the applications, and then once the applications are approved, the interns are all contacted, and then notification is sent to the interns about the acceptance of their internship. The learning partner comes online with the internship with the interns, so that the interns are kept in constant contact with the university. So after the learning partner is in contact with the interns, we are sure of when the student arrives in Taiwan, and when the student arrives, we have a SIM card which the students can buy at the airport, so that they can immediately contact their parents after they arrive in Taiwan. Then they can also exchange their new Taiwan dollars at the airport itself, and then transportation is arranged from the airport to the campus. But of course, this is all pre-arranged and self-paid, so this has to be done for large groups only. The staying in the dorm is pre-arranged. So once you are sure that you want to stay on campus, we arrange the dormitory stay. We have several internship topics. As far as my lab is concerned, we have face recognition, precision farming, all kinds of AI applications, and also IoT applications. These are just some photos of the interns that were doing their projects when they were at CCU. These are some previous interns. Like, for example, on the left-hand side, you can see Gaurav from IIT Roper and Chinmay from IIT Madras. They implemented an electronic door security system with face recognition, and that was all the photos that were taken when they were doing the intern. And then we had Jitu Kumar, also from IIT Roper, who was involved in the research of bamboo image recognition. This was with another professor. Okay, as you can see from here, not only we do research in project topics, we also take students for one-day trips to the city area, as well as to industries. So like, for example, Garmin is a Taiwan, actually it's a US-based company, but it is large base in Taiwan. So we took students to Garmin, we took students to Advantech, all different industries. And of course, we have like, for example, more cultural events. We take the students to the cultural center, and of course, we have gatherings and all. Okay, so this is the photos that where you can see that we have the interns doing their presentations in the meeting rooms, and of course we always have discussions, very live discussions with the students. Okay, at the end of the intern, certificates are awarded to each and every student who has gone through the whole internship program. And then after the internships are finished, when they go back, we keep a constant contact with the students so that we have post-internship surveys and we know where they went, etc. Currently, next year, what we are going to do is we are going to have online internship. In case the pandemic continues, what we can do is we can discuss about the internship topics, and then we can make a do matchmaking between the student as well as the professor in CCU, so that you can do the internship online. But actually, this depends on the topic and also depends on the professor. Let me give you a brief example of what we did for the last few months. This is the slide where, okay, you can see from here that we have online interns. On the left, we have people coming from India, from USA, and on the right, you can see from actually we had also an online intern who was an Indian, but he was in UCLA, USA, and then we had a Vietnamese students also. So you can see all these interns are conducted online. We did people flow analysis, which is a basic AI application, and then we did face recognition. We did pose analysis. So these are all AI applications, and this can be done online. Most of them are undergraduate, but we also have master students. Yeah, thank you for your kind attention. And if you're interested, actually you can look up all the details at this website, which is embedded.cs.cc.edu.tw /TEEP/. Thank you.